Yo, alright guys, trade recap for the bank holiday today. I didn't take any trades just because it was a bank holiday, but there was a good opportunity. Well, there was a position, and we'll talk about that obviously. So it was a bank holiday, but I guess on bank holidays, when it's liquid, so like, there will be a position. Like today, this shit was liquid as fuck. And then after the position, there was just nothing. So, overall, slightly bullish bias, but there was inbound. Like, this is what I'm saying with bias. I'm not. Because you can trade the sweep both ways with bias, like with or against the bias, and it's like. It's like, yeah, it's hard. Like, how do I know if this is bullish or bearish? Like, it's bullish because price hasn't broken structure bearish, but then throughout session, the short is the good position. So this is why I don't really use bias like crazy. It's more like if the price action is there and the move is strong enough, that's it. Like, so there was good liquidity, good liquidity for price to come to. Tops here, here. That's a bit weaker, and then the tops here and up here. Price came to the first liquidity, and I saw this shit playing out, but I didn't want to hop in just because it was a bank holiday. So upon open, so price sweeps topside, gets this liquidity. Good sweep, good push bearish, good push bearish. Fair value gap gets inversed, and that's fine. The fair value gap gets inversed very strong and prominently. Like, this is a big, like, bang, good inverse, which tells me price has gone more topside either for a sweep slash stop loss hunt slash re-sweep, or just to continue topside. And you can tell price is going to go higher. 5 minute fair value gap gets respected perfectly on NAS and gets respected decent enough on ES. You see? Ow. So that happens. Comes topside re-sweep slash stop loss hunt. I was talking to my mate who I'm teaching, like, and then a little bit of sideways move at the top is fine. A little bit of sideways and then bang, strong bearish. On ES, there's a good fair value gap. On Nasdaq, there is only this one, which you would have to execute off of. This one, where price comes above, fills the fair value gap plus all imbalance above it, and then closing out would be this candle, which correlates to ES over here, because this fair value gap correlates to this, is it? Yeah, it correlates to this imbalance. So you could short off that, but with this fair value gap here, you'd probably just go off that. You'd just use this fair value gap and say price has come higher just to fill imbalance. And you would have to trust ES more here because this is choppier, but not too badly. And also today you can see ES is moving much cleaner with the 5 minute respect, with the fair value gap. Like, this is picture perfect right here. Tap and then bang, straight to this bottom liquidity, straight to these equal bottoms, right? Fucking perfect. Like, I was talking to my mate and I was like, oh yeah, it's probably coming short now, like at this point here. And he was like, oh, where would you target? Close liquidity? And I was like, yeah, these equal lows down here. And boom, look at that tap. So back to, like, ES is moving better today, and Nasdaq is like the trailing pair. Like, this is the prominent pair, ES. So, and I was thinking, like, how would you tell which pair is like trailing and prominent, you know? Well, I think you could tell from this 5 minute fair value gap being actioned upon. Here, ES, it's clean as fuck. NASDAQ, not so clean. Comes down, goes further through. ES, fucking perfect. Strong move in, strong move away. Literally. And then little sideways, and then hard bearish, creating that fair value gap. ES is moving fucking perfect. Like, perfect. Sweep, stop loss hunt, like, just perfect. The price action is good. And NASDAQ is moving really well too. Like, this is a good short here. Get in short on the close of this candle. Stop loss just above. Shoot for just like maybe in that fair value gap, or just at the liquidity. So yeah, there. See, that's good. Or if you got in short off of this imbalance correlating to ES's fair value gap, you would have this position, this, because you'd come in earlier on the close of the candle above. That's a good position, but little stop loss just above. Yeah, and the stop loss probably wouldn't come up here. I mean, the price probably wouldn't come up here because it's already stop loss hunted. So yeah. So yeah, this was really nice. And this shows that markets are getting better, which is crazy, bro. On a Monday with fucking bank holiday moving like this, that's fucked. Then the rest of it was just choppy, which is indicative of the bank holiday. So yeah, that's that. No, it was good. It was good.